Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty crazy movement today. I don't mean to state the obvious, but not only from a price action perspective on the movement, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if $3.50 can continue to hold. Now, I use the word continue very deliberately. I mean, if you look at the chart several times today, the bears did try to press down through that 350 mark, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. So yeah, going forward, definitely if that can continue to happen, that would make the chart look the best. Now, don't get me wrong though, if the price does fall below 350, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because there is still another key level of support, and that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very easy yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance just going to be definitely, in the basically after that first 30 minutes, the price formed a channel pattern, and the bottom of the channel, right here at 350, which we already talked about. The top portion of the channel right up there at $3.65. So 365, that near-term level of resistance. If the price can push through there, then yeah, things start to open back up again. And next level of resistance, I'd call right up around $3.85. All in all, though, yeah, depending on where you bought. I mean, if you're a day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, the chart probably looks rough for you. But assuming you do care about the big picture of things, yeah, there was the pullback, but the bulls do still have a chance to build a higher base, and that's the name of the game. Building higher bases leads to those overall uptrends. So let's see if the bulls can get that higher base built or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.